If you break it down home here, and I tell people, let me give you a very lucid example. If, assuming without conceding, Newe Biafra tomorrow, for instance, if you must produce a Biafran president by virtue of the kind of politics we play today, resource-based, Onyejego, which state in the southeast do you think will produce Biafran president back to back?
Anambra.
Now, do you think states like Imo or Ebonyi will want to fold their arms and just accept now here Biafra? Do you think there wouldn't be another agitation for another cry for marginalization? That's why I want you to understand this. And so it's everywhere. As a matter of fact, life is for the living, truly. And once he wants some more, face by here. But at the end of the day, what should make sense to me is, what does Biafra, beyond struggle, beyond hopelessness, whatever it is, what does Biafra represent to me as a person? What should it represent to my child in the future?
Erika, do you have a reaction?
I have a lot.
Please.
A whole lot.
If I ask you, please, go ahead.
Yes. I want to make something so clear when I said, or I want to make the line between the coup and the counter coup. I want to make it so lucid. Cafe off my day. Both of them are not the same.
Go ahead, please.
The first coup, the original coup, that was not a tribal, unfortunately affected more people in the north, and it was termed Igbo coup. And that was the misconception that brought about Biafra. Because it was termed Igbo coup, Ndi Igbo were targeted. And to survive, we championed Biafra. It wasn't political marginalization. We were more politically stable that time. The same thing economically, but life, now on survival, Biafra was the only thing that gave hope of survival to Ndi Igbo. And that is why we championed it. Then and now are no longer the same. A very important need to differentiate between the realities of then and that of now.
Okay.